right. Planet Saturn from my work. Ooh, that's a little blurry. Let's get this over here. That's looking a little better. Oh, there it goes. Cool, now I can see the rings. Welcome to space. Dun dun dun. Beautiful. Okay, Saturn's not the star of the show, although it is so damn pretty. Jewel of the sky. We're going to be jumping over to the moon here in a second, but on the way we'll stop by Jupiter. Get back here. Okay, here comes Saturn. I'm going to focus it a little bit better. You can tell that my sky's a little blurry right now. Ooh, there we go. Oh, damn, still sucks. Really, let's zoom it out. Hello. Hey, everybody. Hey, Cheyenne. Yeah, absolutely. I recommend a 114 millimeter telescope, like a little Newtonian. Meade has a good one. It's called the Lightbridge Mini. Let's see here. Sorry, it's so shaky. That semi-trucky here is my friend Reed. He's just backing all over the place. Ooh, go Reed, go! Awesome. Alright, I'm gonna try and get one more good look at Saturn, and then we'll go to Jupiter. So I'm gonna reposition. I'm gonna wait for it to pass in front of us, and then I'll zoom in. Yeah, thank you. Thanks for joining in. So yeah, the 114 millimeter Lightbridge Mini. That's what I started with, and it was like a little rabbit hole, sucked me right in. Let's zoom in on this. Oh, that's so blurry, but cool. Get back here. Get back here. Where are you going? Yeah. All right. Those are the rings of Saturn. Awesome. All right, we're going to go to Jupiter now. Thanks for hanging out, Saturn. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's brighten it up. So now it's really bright. Oh, wait. I made it brighter, right? Let's take a look. Sorry. Do I see a moon anywhere? Oh, kind of, actually, I do. Yeah, just off to the right of it. Just barely. Oh, that's Titan, I believe. That's cool. All right, enough teasing. Let's go to Jupiter. Whoa, we're there already? All right, so we got those 4 moons again. Darn it, I didn't save last night's video. If I did, we could compare this video with last night's video to see where the moons are tonight. They move, you know? Every night you look at it, the moons will be in different positions. But I believe that's Callisto. Then we've got Ganymede, I'm guessing. I'm going to say that's Io right there. And then off to the... Oh, wait. No. That might be Europa and then Io. And then I'm going to guess that this last one that's going to pop over here is going to be Ganymede. Or not. Or cool, thanks, Jupiter. Thanks for just not... Where's Ganymede? Can somebody tell me where Ganymede is? We lost Ganymede. This is a problem. Oh, wait a minute. I think I know what's going on. I think one of those moons might be in front of Jupiter right now, or behind it. No, there should be 4 moons, unless I'm freaking crazy. All right, well, that's awesome still. Let's see if we can make out some of the surface of the clouds. There should be an equatorial belt, like a little band that goes across. So if you look at the moons and you see how they're making a line that intersects with Jupiter there, we're going to look for a line that's going to shoot across Jupiter. It's going to be a dark band. And so let's get this repositioned a little bit. One of the tricks that I like to do is I'll focus so that the moons become pinpoint, just like that. You see how there are little pinpoints there? So this is bad. We don't want that. We want it to be like that. Okay, cool. Then we zoom in. Then we darken it. And I don't really see a band. It's a little too blurry tonight. But you kind of get what I'm going for. Here, I'll wait for it to come by. We'll be steady about this. Let's be scientists. Let's not put our hands all over the experiment. No, still don't see it. Let's darken it. Oh, I kind of make out one band going across the bottom there, but that's about it. So, that's pretty cool though. There you go, everybody. That's Jupiter. Through a big old telescope. So let's see. I think if I get it over here, we might be able to see some stars as well. Okay, there. I see a star way up there at the top. Not way up there at the top. So, well, actually, yeah, there's one way up there at the top, but midway to the top. I know, yeah, that doesn't make sense, but you get what I mean. That's so cool. It's so glowy and awesome. I'm about to build a Galilean telescope, and so once I build that, I should be able to see Jupiter as Galileo sort of saw it, and that'll be fun. It's going to be a fun science experiment. Next, we're going to the moon. You all ready to go to the moon? I am. Okay. Goodbye, Jupiter. Oh, it's so pretty. Sorry, one more second on. This is awesome. I'm just mystified. Where is that moon? Huh? Where are you? I know you're in there. All right. Let's go to the moon. Oh, that's bright. Whoa, that's awesome. Yeah, that is really cool. Whoa. Ooh, all right, we'll go to a star next. I'll point it at Vega, but we'll look at this moon for about another minute or so, and then I'll jump over to a star just for you. And if you're really curious what a star looks like, go look in the mirror. Ah! That's right, you're the star. Dang. Them some craters. Right? Yeah, you picked a good time. Welcome to the moon. Boom. You know, I wish I could just be like, you know, that's where Apollo such and such landed, but I don't know that stuff. I should. Wow, it's so glowy. I love that. Zoom into Tycho. Yes, you got it. Wait a minute. What do you mean, can I zoom into Tycho? Where is Tycho? Can anyone tell me where that is? Is it going to be down here at the bottom? Sorry, it's shaking. Oh, wait, no, we're through a Newtonian. So it's going to be up here at the top. Bottom left, you say. Okay. Yeah, I think Tycho's in the shadow right now, isn't it? Hey, what's up, man? Welcome aboard. We're looking for Tycho. Can you help me point it out? I think it's on the in the shadow right now. I know that big dark one in the middle there. I think that's Copernicus. Oh, okay, thanks for verifying. We now know that Tycho is not visible tonight, unfortunately. But I will zoom into Copernicus. And can you confirm, is this Copernicus right here? That darker one in the up at the top? Whoa! Check out the surface detail. Wait, come back here. Look at that. Whoa! Dude, those are mountains. That's a canyon. We're looking at this is a whole other world. Whoa. Oh, darn. Something big must have hit there. That big old lava flow. That's the Maria right there in the center. Damn. I think that's the remnants of an impact. It's brutal. Poor moon. Hang in there, buddy. I mean, it's been hanging in there for like, 4 billion years? But still. Oh, whoa. Check out this crater right here. I mean, what? Oh my God, that's so cool. All right, sorry. I gotta show somebody a star real quick. We're gonna do that. Oh man, these freaking craters. This is so cool. So we're looking through an Explore Scientific 10-inch Dobsonian, just in case anyone's wondering. That's the kind of telescope we're looking through. It's traditional Dobsonian. You just point and shoot and hook your phone up to it, share it with everybody, have fun. It's awesome. Great little telescope, big telescope. Sorry. All right, to the star. We're going to Vega. We'll be back, Moon. Don't you go anywhere. This one, all right, I hope my phone doesn't fall off or anything because we're going straight up. Careful. Bear with me. All right, here we go. We're going up. Oh. Now, pointing straight up with the Dobsonian is fun. I'll just leave it at that. Where'd it go? Hey, there it is. Oh, darn it. All right, so we're going to have to go to a star a little bit lower because this one is just... I got to hold it in place, basically. Let's see. I see a double star. Let's do that. Careful. All right, we're going to go to the second star in the Big Dipper. This is Mizar and Alcor. Okay. Awesome. And I see 2 stars that are totally out of focus right now. Look at that. They look terrible. So we're going to get them right here. Come to me, babies. Come to me. Where are you going? Okay. Whew. Stars. All right. To the up there, we got Alcor. To the bottom is Mizar. Wait, no, I got it mixed up. Mizar's at the top, Alcor's at the bottom. Doi, I failed my test. So this is a binary star system. 2 stars going around each other. Nice. Where are you going? Cool. So there you go. I got a little binary system. Let me refocus that. Oh, that's kind of as good as it gets, I guess. I think the phone's just at a khaki wampus sort of angle, but heck yeah, we got stars. Mars just popped up. We can jump on over to that. Trying to see if there's any other cool stars. Ooh, we got a real twinkly looking star out over here. I'll show you what that looks like. This one's low in the atmosphere, or sorry, low in the horizon. If we had a star in our atmosphere, we'd know about that. So let's go on over to this one. And honestly, I don't know what star this is off the top of my head. But you should see it twinkle a little bit. Get over here. Okay. Did we just find a party in the sky? Look at that. It's kind of changing colors a little bit. Yeah, I think we just found a rave. Dude, call the cops. These guys are up late. I think that's the star I wanted to point at. Let's see. No. All right. There's a brighter one right over here. Oh, there it is. Okay. Aha! Now that's a star. Showing you all these little dinkly things. Look at that. There you go. Boom. Now that's a party. I miss you too. I miss all of you. Shining like a diamond. You nailed it. All right. Name planet? What planet? Huh? Name planet like you want me to go to Mars? Is that what you're telling me? Because I could do that. We can do that. Ugh. All right, we're going to take one more look at this party in the sky. This is a star. I don't know what star this is. Whoa! You know what? I think I see the International Space Station. Let's see if we can do that real quick. I wonder. If we get it, it'd be worth it. All right, let me know if you see anything. I can't look at the phone while I do this, but this should be the International Space Station passing through. I just gotta keep the telescope moving. Because it's moving, right? Okay, it's gone. Sorry. I don't know if you saw it or not, but that might have been the International Space Station. Let's go over to Mars. Okay. Anything in there? Hey, now. Wow, this kind of looks like that star that we were just looking at. Oh, cool, you could see it. Thank you. Awesome. I think that was the first time I ever got the International Space Station on live. So, no, we're not at the boardwalk. I'm just taking a break at work right now. Whew. Nice and glowy. That looks ominous. I love it. Now it's gonna look not that great when I zoom in, just to warn you. I know you want me to. All right, let's drop the brightness. See what I mean? I try and get it back over here and then get it focused. Hey, Brian. I'm assuming it's break time. All right. I think I make out a little bit of a dark band there, but right now it's right above a building. But that's still cool. Just to add it to the repertoire of things that we've seen tonight, our little list. Cool, so we saw a double star, we saw a rave star, we saw Mars, we've seen Saturn, we've seen Jupiter, we saw the moon. Hello from Mexico. Hola, ¿cómo estás? Muy bien. No puedo hablar español. But thank you so much for joining. And yeah, that's Mars. Martes. I'm going to brighten it back up. And then let's jump back over to the moon. I think that was really cool. You want to see some craters? All right, one last look at this howling moon. This is so cool. I just like that glow around it. I want to say there's a little bit of a cloud in front of it right now. All right, let's just do a quick sweep of the sky. Here's Saturn one last time. And I was like, hey, you want to see some craters of the moon? I'm like, yeah, here's Saturn. That's pretty cool. All right. And then on our way back to the moon, we're going to go over to Jupiter. Boom. No. Well, I did see, I think it was 4 like asteroids or something moving together. I looked through the telescope and I saw one, and then I noticed that there was like 3 other ones below it moving all in the same direction, but not in the same trajectory. They were all kind of veering off, going up and down. And so as they spread out, I lost track of them. But I did track these like 4 objects. And it was funny. It was as I was looking at Jupiter too. I was looking at Jupiter and I saw these 4 things. I don't know what they were till today. They might have been satellites. They could have been like a little asteroid that broke up. But that was the weirdest thing I've ever seen. And that's so pretty. That's Jupiter. Right? All right, and then the moon. La Luna. Ooh. Bonita. Hot diggity. Now that's some shiny moon there. So, this video is also for the Explorations Academy. They're studying the moon right now, and so this is just some content for them to go over. They've got some live footage of the moon. We're going to take some photos as well once I'm done with this, and they can use it for their studies. I should be studying this thing too. Oh, cool. I could see one of my favorite, like, little craters, too. Oh, yeah, I know. Thanks. I agree. Moon's looking just really pretty. You see this, see this little mountain range? The little horse shape there, right in the center? I love that. I just think it's cool. Oh, wow. Lots of stars coming out right now. That's so cool. Tonight's a pretty good night. Look at the shadowing that's just going around that crater there, right at the bottom. That's so cool. All right, I'm gonna change the brightness a little bit, even it out. Damn. Yeah, that's just pretty. Ooh, I see a really cool canyon. Who spots the awesome canyon? Let's see, let's zoom in on it. See that little white ridge that's running down like a lightning bolt? That's awesome. That is very cool. I see that. That is neat. And hello, everyone. Alrighty. Any more requests? We've got the star. We've got... Oh, I think I see another satellite coming in. I could probably jump on over to that. Yeah, let's do it. I see a moving object. All right, so you wanted to see a UFO. Here's a UFO. Let's do it. It's probably just a satellite. It's moving nice and slow, though. All right, should be coming into view. Let's see if we see anything. Oh, there it went. All right, let's see if we can get it again. Ooh, okay. So I see that it's crossing the upper screen there. So if I have the aimer higher, does it go into the screen at all? No. So I'm going to go lower. We're being scientists. Let's do this. Yeah. All right, now I'm just going to keep tracking this. Looks like it's getting brighter. And I want to say that this is just a satellite. That's pretty cool. Sorry, I can't. I'm just looking through the viewfinder right now, keeping the telescope as close as I can to this object. Oh, that's so cool. It looks really cool through the viewfinder, whatever it is. We're just watching it as it goes across the sky. Welcome to space. I should probably get back to work. You know, it's like a sixth sense. I feel my bosses are looking for me right now. But this is history. I mean, what if this is a UFO? Who knows? No, I'm just kidding. It's probably not. It's just a satellite. Alright. So, there you go. Sweet. Alright. I hope you all had fun. Let me see if there was any questions real quick. Ooh, yeah. That would be cool if we had some target telescopes that could lock on like that. We do. My Meade, my Meade ETX80 and all my other go-to telescopes have tracking capabilities where if you were to punch in coordinates of something like the International Space Station, you could program your mount to do this. But unfortunately, you have to do most of the hard work there to do that. I don't know of any telescopes that just automatically track stuff like that for you. However, it might be Stella or Stellina. Check them out. I bet you one of their telescopes does it. Stellina. Let's see, anything else? Oh, sorry, I have to go. Jupiter? Question mark? You mean this thing? Hello. Yeah, this is Jupiter. We can see 3 of the moons. I don't know where the 4th one is. It's hiding tonight. Sorry, I just gotta move it a little bit more. Get back over here. So the Orionid meteor shower should be happening at some point. Ooh. Sorry, I was getting a call. My bad. Saturn. Yes. Of course. 1 second. Can you see any bands? Barely. Worth the effort. Okay, Saturn. Saturn. No. Yeah, the night's getting a little bit steadier. Seems like the clouds are clearing up a bit. Cool. Where are you going? My telescope's slipping. Heck yeah, cool. Yeah, that's what we're using tonight, is the variable filter. That's how we're able to do this. Thanks. I'm glad you enjoy it. I do it for you. Do I hear coyotes? One time I got chased by coyotes. I was on a little Razor scooter down in LA, and I was riding home at like 2 a.m. so I'm just playing with the focus because this thing just kind of looks gross. We're using an Explore Scientific 10-inch Dobsonian. But yeah, I was riding home on my scooter, and I looked behind me because I heard, the padding of feet behind me. And I looked, and there was a coyote chasing me. And I was like, what the heck? God, I'm 14, man. I'm a big meal. Why are you chasing me? But he was chasing me and kind of freaked me out. Kind of been weird about coyotes ever since. That's cool. You can see a little shadow there, which separates the rings from the planet itself. That's helpful, because when Galileo first looked at this thing through a telescope, he couldn't really make out that much detail, and he thought that the planet had ears. Like ears, the things on the side of your head that are holding up your mask right now. Like what? He had to go to the Pope and be like, dude, this planet, it's listening to us. And the Pope was like, nah. Actually, I don't know what the Pope said. Earth is rotating really fast, and so that's and we're really zoomed in. I think Earth is rotating. I think 1,000 miles an hour is pretty fast, but Jupiter's rotating at 27,000 miles an hour, so it's all relative. I have that I own personally. I've got like 3 or 4 telescopes. 5. I just bought another one. I'm sorry. I don't know. Less than 10. More than 2. Nice and blurry. Okay. Uh-oh. All right. I think I gotta go. Time to go, everybody. No, Valbrana, why'd you join? We're trying to... No, I'm just kidding. We're looking at Saturn right now. Thanks for joining, too, by the way. I appreciate it. Yeah, it is. Once you start setting it up and getting into it, it's really hard to take it home. Usually it's the clouds that send me home, or the bad weather. It's just... You can ask Cheyenne. I'll be like, all right, I'll be home in an hour. And then 3 hours later. Hey, yeah, thanks for joining in. I really appreciate it. All right, we'll end it with the moon. We're going to go to the moon. That was cool, though, that we saw the International Space Station. And we saw a satellite. Or I think it was a satellite. It was probably a UFO, but... So, we made first contact tonight. That was awesome. We've seen some pretty cool craters. We'll listen to some semi-trucks driving around. We got to demonstrate technology, such as the variable moon filter. See, it darkens everything, and then it brightens everything. Oh, whoa, look at that. That's super bright. There's, in case you were in a dark room and you needed to see around you, there you go. Yeah, we saw Jupiter, we saw Saturn, we saw a rave star, we saw the double stars. And if I keep looking up, I'm probably going to find something else to show you. So here's where we wrap it up. Thank you so much, everybody. Love y'all. Kind of like the dogs, too. They're cool, too. All right. Me neither. That is so cool. Jeez. Oh, I see a little tiny mountain top right there in the center of the crater. That's so cool. For planetary astrophotography, I do like to use a 10-inch Dobsonian. I have an Apertura 8010 telescope. This telescope works just as well, though. It's a Explore Scientific 10-inch Dobsonian. However, you can do a lot with planetary photography, and I like to mix it up. So I'll use like a wide angle 80 millimeter so I can capture the moons, such as a Meade ETX80, and I love to also use a Meade 8-inch ACF, and if I can get my hands on any other telescope that's 4.5 inches or larger, I'll use that pretty much for planetary imaging. And yeah, so thank you so much. Yeah, and have a great night in Barcelona. Woo! That's so cool. Mohammed, welcome. We're just about to sign off. We're looking at the moon, and here's Copernicus crater. I swear, I will end this live stream at some point, don't worry. All right, love y'all. Bye. Thanks again.